this very wonderful commentary by Vishwanath on verse 10 of chapter 30. And we have a few words to say also, based on one point of Jiva Goswami Pad's Tika. This whole section, of course, is a narrative. I was explaining in the Ras Lila description, there's narration, there's dialogue, there's monologue, and these are the different aspects of the drama. Like we have Alita Madhav, or we have Ras Lila. This is a drama in one sense. It's Lila, it's Nitya Lila. And they're having conversations and all the aspects. There's scenes and acts. 5 chapters means 5 acts, a 5-act drama. Like Jagannath Vallabha Natakam, or the Alita Madhav is most famous for us in drama, Gaudiyas. So then there's the acts, and inside the act is a scene, so many scenes. So in the scenes, there's conversations, there's action, there's narration. So this whole chapter, chapter 30 is only narration. Shuka Muni is describing the gopis are speaking this and the gopis are speaking that. And all the gopis are speaking called monologue. Only one gopi is speaking. No one's replying. There's dialogue when Krishna speaks to the gopis in chapter 29, preaches Dharma, go home and do your ashram Dharma and Varna Dharma. You shouldn't be here. And go practice Gyan Yoga, meditate on me in your heart and worship me in my deity form. And it's better than being with me. And all these things that he preached also to the Yagya Patnis. And they went back. But the gopis said, nothing doing, we're not moving 1 inch from your feet. Our feet refuse to move. So then Krishna spoke, and then it's a dialogue. Then they replied by speaking Pranaya Gita in 11 verses, verse 24 to 34 in chapter 29. Then Krishna submitted, okay, all right, I surrender. Then they started Ban Bihar and walking together, Krishna gopis, and singing, appreciating the full moon and all the fresh flowers and beautiful scenery at night and each other. And then, poof, Krishna disappears because he saw Saubhagya Mata, says in Sanskrit, Saubhagya Mata. They were gopis. He said, oh, the gopis are proud of their Saubhagya, their fortune. So I will disappear for different reasons. So now we open in chapter 30. The whole chapter, there's no Krishna, only gopis, searching in desperation and anxiety. So how is it, the question is asked by Jiva Goswami, and we're presenting it. How is it that the Braja Gopis know about Krishna's Aishvarya and his majesty, Varaha avatar, Vaman avatar, when they're always loving Krishna as a charming youth of Gokul, just our village hero? He's the star of the village.